Alabama is one of a number of U.S. states that have passed tough immigration laws recently. Arizona was the first state to pass such a law in April 2010, and it gives state and local police the power to check the immigration status of anyone stopped on other charges. And it requires employers to run immigration checks on new workers. Key aspects of the law have now been blocked by a federal court. In March, Utah's governor signed a similar bill that he called a compromise, increasing enforcement while offering a guest worker program for immigrants. A federal judge has blocked that as well. And last month, Georgia passed a similar measure. As well as enforcement, it makes it illegal to give shelter or transport illegal immigrants. Civil rights groups have filed an injunction, and they are threatening to do the same in Alabama, where the latest law has been passed.
As Governor Robert Bentley signed his state's new immigration bill into law, Alabama may have replaced Arizona at the center of America's immigration debate.
It is a tough bill. It is the toughest bill in the country, but we wanted a tough bill.
Under the bill, Alabama police can stop and question anyone about their immigration status based on, quote, reasonable suspicion. Illegal immigrants will be blocked from enrolling in public colleges after high school. The state's public schools will be required to check and publish the immigration status of all students. And it would also be a crime to rent housing to an illegal immigrant. The bill, due to come into effect in September, has met with outrage among civil liberties groups who are vowing to challenge it in court.
This is bad policy. This is so bad for society as a whole. What the governor has done by signing this law is really taken Alabama back decades to pre-civil rights era, to a time when people of color will be racially profiled, will be discriminated against, and really that the society as a whole is suffering because of this new law.
There's been no response yet from the White House. President Obama called Arizona's immigration law misguided. His Justice Department challenged the measure, citing the long-held principle that immigration policy is a federal responsibility. Speaking in Texas last month, Obama said Washington needs to take the lead on the issue.
Businesses all across America are demanding that Washington finally meet its responsibilities to solve the immigration problem. Everybody recognizes the system's broken. The question is, will we finally summon the political will to do something about it?
For now, the answer seems to be no. And it's the absence of that political will which has spurred states like Alabama to chart their own course and has left the national debate over immigration very much unresolved. Imran, Garda, Al Jazeera, Washington.